Hello, kids! Welcome to Fun Learning. Today, we will learn fruit names from P to Z. P for papaya. Papaya is yummy. Q for quince. Quince is healthy. R for raspberry. Raspberry is sweet. S for strawberry. Strawberry is tasty. T for tomato. Tomato is red. U for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit is fun. W for watermelon. Watermelon is juicy. X for Xigua. Xigua is a watermelon. Y for yellow passion fruit. So yummy. Z for zucchini. Zucchini is green. A, B, C, D, E. Fruits are fun. A to Z. Did you enjoy learning? Subscribe for more fun learning.